Hi, I'm Rachel Stewart, and the question I'm going to be answering is number 2. What is your educational background and how do you feel about school and or your teachers growing up? I was the teacher's pet. I loved school and wouldn't miss a day. When I had a doctor's appointment, I begged my mom to take me to school the same day instead of keeping me home, no matter how much time I had remaining for the school day. That outlook quickly changed when I entered middle school, as it often does for many adolescents. I was bullied by boys and called many names for my chocolate complexion. I thought I was weirdly shaped for my body, skinny with big breasts, and I didn't have many friends that were females because I didn't get along with them. I was a loner. I was also afraid of predominantly African American schools because I knew about the stereotypes and disadvantages minority schools were up against, and that put a strain on my educational values and goals. Teachers' faces began to look different from mine, although my peers' face remained the same. Thus, my peers and I, were all treated differently. I made a promise to myself that I would not attend a HBCU because of the worldview I experienced. Now, although that was my experience, I do come from a long line of educators. I was taught by my aunt in elementary school. She taught me science. And then I had an aunt that taught preschool and an uncle who taught high school English. So even though I didn't want to become a teacher when I was growing up, I kind of fell in a long line of teachers, and now I love teaching, and I hope to continue this journey. I guess I should have known since I was a teacher's pet. All right, thanks. Hope to hear from all of you soon. Bye.